Artec Robo is Artec's original programmable robotics solution that was launched back in 2014. It combines the creative freedom of Artec blocks with the Arduino-based open-source Studuino board supported by 4 types of programming environments. Artec Robo 2.0 is the second generation of Artec's original programming education tool that was launched in 2019. It is intended for early elementary to high schoolers and takes education step by step from the first program without a computer to advanced concepts like AI and IoT. Artec Robo 2.0's hardware is Artec's original Studuino bit board, which is fully equipped for programming education. Artec Robo 2.0 is supported by 2 types of programming environment, Scratch 3.0 based block programming, and Python. Artec offers robotics programming learning solutions designed for public education from kindergarten to high school with 3 types of education sets. Early education set is designed for kindergarten to grade 3 with total 12 easy-to-follow robotics and programming lessons. The basic and complete education sets are designed for primary and secondary school children and come with 16 and 52 lesson-long curriculum respectively. The curriculum is based on educational standards of Japan, Singapore, the UK, and a number of other developed countries. Artec also offers complete franchise packages for your workshops or other educational facilities with Artec Innovator Academy courses. First, 2-year course early years for children from 6 to 8 years. Second, 2-year course robot programming school for grade 3 and older. Then finally, 16-month mastery course add-on for the students who already finished 2-year robot programming school course. With Artec Innovator Academy franchise packages, you can instantly start a robot programming school or add a new program in your educational facility. This set was developed for middle school and high school children with the goal of introducing the Python programming language. It comes with a 2-year, 96-lesson-long curriculum that covers such topics as robotics, IoT, and AI. The course's main content covers basic Python syntax, object-oriented programming, robotics technologies, network technologies, database technologies, and information security technologies.